Tesla's quarter depends on supply chain cost and Giga Shanghai. Investors will be closely watching Tesla's quarterly result on Wednesday, tomorrow, for indications of its performance in China, where the electric car maker has posted robust sales in the face of negative publicity and a host of new domestic competitors. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Hyunjoo Jin writes in today's Reuters that Tesla, headed by entrepreneur Elon Musk, is expected to report a jump in revenue driven by record global deliveries in the July to September period. While it has weathered the chip crisis better than rivals Tesla, some investors are concerned supply chain issues could increase costs and weigh down margins. So look for that, supply chain issues. The upside could come from Tesla's Shanghai factory, though, which has surpassed the company's factory in Fremont, California, in terms of production and has cut costs with the use of more Chinese parts, including batteries. Tesla has earlier said that they're going to do everything to localize the supply in China. This is helping to cut the costs, of course, wherever you go, as long as you localize your supply. Tesla started deliveries in late August of less expensive version of the Model Y sport utility vehicle equipped with cheaper iron-based batteries made by CATL in China, a source familiar with the matter said to Reuters. Here's a quote, friends, I want to present you. The Giga Shanghai efficiency is front and center, moving margins higher, said Dan Ives, an analyst at Wedbush who is bullish on Tesla, and frequently we quote him in our YouTube channel. Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the Shanghai factory now produces more vehicles than the company's sole US factory. But wait until the Giga Berlin and Gigafactory Texas come online. By the way, what is the capacity of Gigafactory Texas? Just same as Berlin, 500,000? It's best quality, lowest cost, and also low drama, so it's great, said Elon Musk at a shareholders meeting earlier this month, talking about Shanghai producing more cars than Fremont. If so, Tesla was not immune to global supply chain crisis, and Tesla has done better partly because it has been willing to pay. Here's what Musk said. The sheer amount of money we're spending on flying parts around the world is just not great, but hopefully temporary, Musk said. This is why Reuters is offering us to pay attention to the costs of chip shortage weathering. Some investors want to see how those costs add up. I think that there is probably a headwind to margins if they are paying more for comments and parts. Jin Muster, managing partner at venture capital firm Loop Venture, an investor in Tesla, said. He also said, I think that would be a huge positive if they can raise auto gross margin in this environment. While Tesla has raised prices in the United States to offset cost pressure, it has cut them in China, where it faces more competition from Chinese rivals such as NIO, Li Auto, and Xpeng Corporation. Tesla had received strong backing from the Chinese government when it built China's first wholly foreign-owned car plant in 2019, known as Gigafactory Shanghai or Giga Shanghai. But in recent months, it has grappled with regulatory scrutiny over how it handles data, as well as consumer complaints over product safety and other issues. Tesla's China sales leaped 44% in the third quarter from the previous quarter as it boosted exports to Europe and other countries, and it introduced the more affordable Model Y SUVs. It seems the negative news did not really hurt loyal demand. Consumers have very high confidence in Tesla's product. Yale Zhang, managing director at Shanghai-based consultancy automotive Foresight, said, which is also reported in Reuters. Other local companies are really catching up very quickly. Tesla is still leading the charge, he said to Reuters. investors will also keep an eye on the planned expansion of Tesla's so-called full self-driving beta software. So look for news on that. What Elon Musk will say about the planned expansion of FSD. In what ways? How much? Tesla started widening access to the software, FSD software, earlier this month, having tested the new advanced driver assisted program with about 2,000 people for a year. Tesla's shares yesterday on Monday ended up 3.2% at $870.11, inching closer to its record close high of $883.09 reached on January 26. Unlike most of his peers at the top of big tech companies, Musk said during a call in July that he was unlikely to attend earnings calls with investors and analysts. The calls have been a colorful quarterly ritual Musk has used for discourses on Tesla technology or to fire back at analysts, the government, and critics, Reuters report. As I'm reporting this news, friends, please, as a disclaimer, I want to remind you, many of you already know, I'm not a Tesla shareholder. I'm not in the stock market at all, just reporting the news for you. In another Tesla news today, the car maker finally started delivering refreshed Model X to customers. Actually, this started, I believe, 2 days ago on the 17th of October. Tesla delivered its redesigned Tesla Model S interior in early 2021, and now Model X buyers are finally getting their turn. Electrek and TMC forum members Sunnyvale 3 report that Tesla has started delivering the revised Model X to customers, holding at least one event to mark the occasion. As you might guess, this effectively drags the electric crossover into the modern era with a landscape touchscreen display up front, a smaller display in the back, and overall interior quality improvements that are more befitting a nearly $94,000 vehicle. That's an expensive vehicle, and better things befit this vehicle. The electric vehicles at the event were 6-seaters, although it's not clear if that's the only configuration shipping first. If you guys know what configurations Model X refreshed will come, let us know please in the comments section. They appear to be Model X Plaid units driving near Tesla Fremont factory. People have seen this. The deliveries are good news for buyers who have wanted the space and luxury of the Model X over the frugal Model Y. But Model Y is a great vehicle. A lot of people comment on that. However, they also underscored the effect of chip shortages on Tesla's production. On top of the late arrivals for early adopters, new shoppers will face very lengthy delays. Orders of Model X Plaid as of this writing and this reporting, and you'll have to wait until July 2022 spring for the lower cost long range variant, and you will wait until September 2022. But keep an eye on tomorrow's announcement of Tesla of its earnings in the third quarters, in which we hope to hear more about the chip shortage and how Tesla sees the future of the chip and part supply chain shortages. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. We have great comments, friends. Join our community. Give us thumbs up for this video, please, if you found it informative, helpful. And I'll see you soon in our next report. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. Have a great rest of the day. See you soon.